Hi, I'm going to show you how you can add an AI chatbot to your WooCommerce website. First, let me show you the product so we know what we're talking about. You can see it here in the bottom right corner. We also have the same assistant on our own website so you can try it yourself and get answers to any questions. For example, let's ask how to get started. It gives an answer right away, and then you can follow up with more questions like, what happens after I create an account? You can ask anything really. Another great feature is that it works in any language. So if a customer switches to Spanish or any other language, the assistant will automatically respond in that language. If you want to have this on your own website, go to acintai.com. Create an account by clicking Get Started. Next, you can enter your website URL. If you do, the AI will crawl your site to learn what it's about and prepare instructions for itself. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see a space where you can review or add knowledge and instructions for your AI assistant. We provide a default template, but you can edit or delete it and create your own. Everything you add here is what the AI will know, including instructions on how it should reply. If something isn't included, like your discount coupons or opening hours, the AI may not know it. The more detail you provide, the better it will respond. You can also upload various sources of information to your knowledge base: text, PDFs, URLs, and even real-time data feeds. This allows the AI to access up-to-date information such as stock availability and similar data and include it in the conversation. You can also test it before deploying it by asking the kinds of questions your customers are likely to ask. If you don't like an answer, you can simply adjust the instructions or add more context to the knowledge base. So, how do you add this to WooCommerce? It's very simple. Just copy the JavaScript code we provide and paste it into your site. The chatbot widget will appear right away. If you run into any issues or if you don't know how to insert JavaScript to WooCommerce, simply ask our chatbot for help and it will gladly assist you. You can also customize it. Change the colors, adjust the position on the page, set the initial greeting message, enable or disable auto trigger, and even hide the branding if you want. In your dashboard, you'll also be able to review all the conversations the AI has had with your visitors. You can see what people asked and how the AI responded, which helps you improve your setup and also gives you valuable customer insights. That's everything I wanted to show you. And remember, if you ever get stuck during setup, just ask our AI assistant for help. For instance, ask how to integrate this with WooCommerce website. That's all from me, and I look forward to seeing you on Ace and Tie.